ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು 2ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವ ಈ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಗದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಓದೋಣ. ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ದ lesson that is present in the second standard Kannada textbook. It's a story. ರೈತ, see here, ರೈತ ಮತ್ತು ಹದ್ದು. ರೈತ ಮತ್ತು ಹದ್ದು. You have to stress the letters which has ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರಗಳು. Remember that, okay? ರೈತ means the farmer. Mattu means and. Haddu means the eagle. It is the story of the farmer and the eagle. Word meanings have been written on top of the Kannada words. Let us start to read. Before reading, I once again repeat that you have to stress the letters which have ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರಗಳು. Okay? Be attentive how I am reading. ಒಂದು ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ರೈತನಿದ್ದ. There was a farmer in one town. ಆ ರೈತ ದಿನಾಲು ತನ್ನ ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ. That farmer used to work in his field every day. ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಒಂದು ಹದ್ದು ಬಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು. ಒಮ್ಮೆ means once. The eagle once stuck. ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು means stuck. Stuck inside the trap. ಅದನ್ನು ರೈತ ನೋಡಿದ. The farmer saw that. ಹದ್ದಿನ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ. Here see how I am reading. ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ನೋಡಿ ರೈತನಿಗೆ ಕರುಣೆ ಬಂದಿತು. The farmer got mercy by seeing the condition of the eagle. Why did he got mercy? Because the eagle was stuck inside the trap. That's why. ಹದ್ದನ್ನು ಬಲೆಯಿಂದ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ. He helped the eagle to get out of the trap. ಅದು ಸಂತಸದಿಂದ ಹಾರಿ ಹೋಯಿತು. The eagle flew away happily. ಊರ ಹೊರಗೆ ರೈತನ ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದಿತು. There was a home, farmer's home outside the town. ಹೊರಗೆ means outside. ಊರ means town. There was a farmer's house outside the town. ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಆತ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತಿದ್ದ. Once he was sitting in his house. ಕುಳಿತಿದ್ದ means sitting. ಮನೆ means house or home. He was sitting in his home. ಅವನ ಮನೆಯ ಗೋಡೆ ಕುಸಿಯುವ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. The walls of his home were in the collapsing condition. Gode means wall and kusiyuva means collapsing. Walls of the farmer's home was in the collapsing condition. Sthiti means condition. ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹದ್ದು ಅದನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿತು. The eagle that was flying in the sky. Akasha means sky. ಹಾರಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ means flying. The eagle that was flying in the sky noticed it. Gamanisitu means noticed. Noticed it. Noticed what? the condition of the wall that was about to fall or collapse. ಹದ್ದು ಒಂದು ನಾಣ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕಿ ತಂದಿತು. The eagle searched and brought the coin. ರೈತನಿಗೆ ಕಾಣುವಂತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳಿಸಿತು. The eagle dropped the coin a little far away from his place so that the farmer should see this. ಕಾಣುವಂತೆ means visible. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ means little. ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ means in the distance or little far away from the place. ಬೀಳಿಸಿತು means dropped. The eagle dropped the coin a little away from the farmer so that farmer can see that. ಅದೇನೆಂದು ನೋಡಲು ರೈತ ಎದ್ದು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದನು. The farmer came out of the home to see what it is. ಅದೇನೆಂದು means what it is. To see. ನೋಡಲು means to see. ಎದ್ದು means ಎದ್ದು ಹೊರಗೆ. He stood up and came out. ಬಂದನು. He stood up and came out of the home to see what it is. ಆಗ ಗೋಡೆ ಕುಸಿಯಿತು. Then the wall collapsed. ಕುಸಿಯಿತು collapsed. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹದ್ದು ಬೇಕೆಂದೇ ನಾಣ್ಯ ತಂದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಯಿತು. Then he got to know that the eagle dropped the coin intentionally. ತನ್ನ ಜೀವ ಉಳಿಸಿದ ಹದ್ದಿನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದನು. The farmer looked towards the eagle with love because the eagle saved his life. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದನು. He saluted, or it is a type of showing gratitude, doing namaskara or namaste. Okay? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದನು. ಹದ್ದು ಹರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಮುಗಿಲ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹಾರಿ ಹೋಯಿತು. The eagle flew away towards the sky. ಕಡೆಗೆ means towards. Towards. ಮುಗಿಲ means sky. Towards the sky with happily. Harsha means happy. Towards the sky happily. It flew away. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳಿರಿ. Answer the following question. See here, we will, in all these questions, we will find out the questioning word. For example, elli means where. See here also elli, where. Yaru, who, yava, which, hege, how. If you don't know the questioning words, common questioning words, please go back and see the words that commonly we use in Kannada. It includes these questioning words also. There are few questioning words. In every questions it will be used more or less the same words. So it is easy to find out the questioning words. And we can replace only those words with the answers. The rest words will remain the same. Okay? The first question. ರೈತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ? Where the farmer worked. Where he was working. Answer is ರೈತ ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ. You have to write the complete sentence like this, okay? I'll write it for you, one sentence. See, Raita. I'll write one complete answer for you. See, Raita. Answer is Raita. Yelli means holadalli. You have to write holadalli. Next, Kelasa ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ. Full stop. See, you have to copy the other words and you have to replace the questioning word with answer. Okay, ರೈತ ಹೊಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಹದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು. Where did the eagle stuck? Answer is ಹದ್ದು ಬಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು. Here the questioning word is ಎಲ್ಲಿ, where. So answering word is ಬಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ. Answer, the eagle stuck inside the trap. ಹದ್ದನ್ನು ಬಲೆಯಿಂದ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದವರು ಯಾರು? Who made the eagle to get out of the trap? ಹದ್ದನ್ನು, answer is ಹದ್ದನ್ನು ಬಲೆಯಿಂದ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದವರು ರೈತ. ಯಾರು should be replaced with ರೈತ? The farmer helped the eagle to get out of the trap. ರೈತನ ಮನೆಯ ಗೋಡೆ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು? The walls of the farmer's house was in which condition? ಯಾವ means which. ಸ್ಥಿತಿ means condition. Which condition? This ಯಾವ should be replaced with ಕುಸಿಯುವ. ರೈತನ ಮನೆಯ ಗೋಡೆ ಕುಸಿಯುವ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. The walls of the farmer's house were in the collapsing condition. ರೈತ ಹದ್ದಿನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡಿದನು? How did the farmer see towards the eagle? ಹೇಗೆ means how. Answer is ರೈತ ಹದ್ದಿನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದನು. Means ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ means with love. The farmer saw with love towards the eagle. He saw the eagle with love. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe it, hit the like button, and if you have any doubts, please comment it below. Thank you.